Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. I will continue with the second Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper of Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, August the 5th, 2021. We have 3 Sudokus left. I've already solved this one. The 3 stars made an error. Yes, one of the errors. But I will continue with the 4 stars. Then I will do a big binary puzzle and a tectonic. So 3 puzzles to go. And this one, the 4 stars, will be a number 3201. Alright, 3201. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. And for a 4-star Sudoku, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Well, previous Sudoku 25 made an error. I need more than 30 minutes, so I rather think this one should be a 4 stars. And let me see this one. Let's get started. All right, so we have a 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So the column next, the third column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, no 8 there, 8 should be there. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the 2 and a 1. We have a 2 and a 1 in this row, so no 2 and a 1 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and a 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 2 and a 1. We see here 1 and 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6, 7 is missing, 5 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 7 and a 5. Okay. Then we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. All right. Then I cannot continue with the 2. I need to wait. How about let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 3 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 3 boxes in this big square. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. All right. Then 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between, the only place for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in this row. 1, 2, the 3 is missing in this row. Yes, 3. All right. All right. Let me think. 3 missing numbers. Well, we have a pair in this row. A pair. 4 and 8 in the last row. 4 and 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 4 and 8. So 1 digit left in this row for the number 5, I believe. Yeah, we need a 5 here. The other pair in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing, 6, the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, all right. So what are those 3 missing numbers in this big square? The 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 9. 239, 239, and look, we have a 2 and a 3 in this last column. So no 2 and a 3 in this box. The 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 9. Alright. So we have a 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And then 9, yeah. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 2 boxes. There 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, 9. Okay. Hmm. 9, 9. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 2 boxes. There 9, no 9 in those 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in this column. We have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 9 should be here. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 9, but this 9 cannot be a 9 because we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So the 9 should be there. Okay. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6 in this big square. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. There 6, no 6 in that box. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1. The 8 is missing. The 3 is missing. 1, 3, 8. 1, 3, 8. We see a 1 and an 8 in this column. So no 1 and an 8 in this box. The 1 and an 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and an 8. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 2. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. Alright. Alright. Then. How about 6, 6. 6, 6, 6. Yeah. 3, 3, 3. 3. Yeah, in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3 in this big square. We see here 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. There are 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 3 in this row, 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the last third row, column. Sorry, 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row. So it will be 3 in the second row. The only place for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box cannot be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Alright. And all the 3s are used. I can see this number 1, number 3. Okay. 5, 8, 8. 8 should be here. 8 8 8 5 8 5 7. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the second row. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 no 7 there, here 7 no 7 there. The only place for the 7 in the second row should be there. 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers 5 and 8. We see here 5 no 5 there, 5 should be here and 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. On the last column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then 2 numbers left in this row. The 1 is missing, 2, 3, and the 4 is missing in this row. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4, and look, we have a 4 there. No 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only place for the 1 should be there. Well, 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, no, for number 1, okay. 2 numbers left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 6 and a 7 is missing. 5 and the 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 5. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 1 number left in this column. For the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers of 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, and 7. 7 and 4. 7 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 5. And all the 7s are used, I can see. This is number 3, number 7. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8. 5 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 8 and 5, 4 and 8. 8 and 5. 1 box left in this column. For the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. Yes, 5. Okay. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, and the only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. This is number 4, number 5. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can be 8 and more. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 4. 1 box left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. Okay, now we have a 9 there, so this box can't be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. No, 5 we have. 2 and 6. 2 and 6. We see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this row. The first row for the number 6. Okay. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 4 and 8. We see here 4. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And 8 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. And yeah, faster than the previous Sudoku, although I have 24 printed digits. So yeah, it should be, this one should be a 4 stars instead of 3 stars. But I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the tectonic. See you then. Bye bye for now.